Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 3. And in this lesson we're going to be talking about being able to see and describe numbers of objects using one more within 5 group rows. Now, 5 group rows are just rows that can only have 5 in them. So looking at this picture of these apples, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples, and then you had to start a new row. So that's exactly what 5 group row means, is that you have only 5 can be in each group, and then you have to start a new row. Okay? So now, we're going to be looking at this. So we're looking at these apples, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. Okay, so we know we have 6 apples. Now, if we come down here to this statement right here, it says 1 more than 6 is blank. Well, 1 more. Ooh, I know that 1 more, that means that I'm going to add 1. Because it says than 6. Well, we know that we have 6 apples already. Well, I'm just going to add 1 more to these 6 apples. So, you all know, I'm sure by now, that Miss Perkins is not an artist. But that's okay, because in math, we do our own math drawings. We don't try to actually draw a picture like this. We don't actually try to draw an apple. We just do a simple math drawing, which in this case would be a circle. So I added 1 more. This circle is going to represent another apple. Or we're going to pretend that this is another apple. Okay, so there were 6. We added 1 more. So let's count. What is 1 more than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 7. So 6, we had 6 first, plus 1 more is 7. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now, let's do a number bond. Now I'm just going to do a number bond right here. So now, our number bond. We know, looking at this, I circled my 2 parts already. So I know that one part was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my other part was 1. And my whole, remember, whole means all together. Okay, with all of the apples together, even the one that we added. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that there was 6 apples, but then we added 1 more, and that means 7. 1 more than 6 is 7. And 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Alright guys, that's it for this video.